Anna's big dream. Anna was a quiet girl who lived in a small village near the mountains. She was 12 years old and lived with her parents and younger brother in a little wooden house. Her father was a farmer, and her mother sold vegetables at the market. They were not rich, but they were a happy family. Every day after school, Anna helped her parents with the farm. She carried water, fed the chickens, and helped her mother clean the house. Even though she was tired, Anna always found time to read books. She loved books more than anything in the world. Anna had a big dream. She wanted to become a teacher. She didn't want to just teach in her village, she wanted to go to the city, study at a big university, and become a great teacher who could help many children learn and grow. But in her village, not many girls went to college. Most girls got married young and helped their families on the farm. When Anna told others about her dream, they laughed at her. "You are just a farmer's daughter," they said. "How can you go to the city and become a teacher?" Anna didn't listen to them. She believed in herself. She studied hard every night by the candlelight. She borrowed books from the village library and asked her teachers many questions. Her favorite teacher, Mr. Lim, always encouraged her. "Anna," he said one day, "your dream is big, but it is possible. Never stop working for it." Anna smiled. "Thank you, teacher. I won't give up." But life was not easy. One year, there was a big flood in the village. The water destroyed many farms, including Anna's. Her father lost most of the crops, and her mother had no vegetables to sell. They had very little food, and Anna had to miss school for 2 months to help her family. She cried at night. "How can I study if I don't go to school?" she asked. Her mother hugged her and said, "Sometimes we must stop for a while, but that doesn't mean we stop forever." When the flood was over, Anna went back to school. Her clothes were old, and her shoes were worn out, but her heart was full of hope. She studied harder than ever. She told herself, "I will not give up." One day, her teacher told the class about a scholarship program in the city. "If you win," he said, "you can study in a big school for free." Anna's heart jumped. This was her chance. The test for the scholarship was very hard. Many students from many schools would compete. But Anna didn't let fear stop her. Every day, she studied for hours. She woke up early and read her books. At night, she wrote notes and practiced math problems. Some kids laughed at her. "Why are you trying so hard? You won't win," they said. But Anna just smiled and kept going. "I have a big dream," she whispered to herself. On the day of the test, Anna traveled to the city for the first time in her life. The city was big and noisy. There were cars everywhere and tall buildings that touched the sky. Anna felt small, but she didn't let fear control her. She sat in a big hall with hundreds of students. Her hands were shaking. But when the test started, she closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and remembered all the things she studied. She did her best. After the test, Anna returned home and waited. Weeks passed. She tried not to think about the results, but every night, she dreamed of the city school. Then, one morning, a letter came. It had the city school's name on it. Anna ran to her mother and opened it with shaking hands. Her eyes filled with tears. "I did it!" she shouted. "I got the scholarship!" Her parents hugged her. Her brother jumped with joy. The whole village heard the news. But going to the city was not easy. Anna had never left her family before. She had no nice clothes, no phone, and no money. But she packed her books and a few clothes in a small bag. Her father gave her a little money, and her mother gave her a warm hug. "Be brave, my daughter," her mother said. "Your dream is waiting for you." In the city, everything was new. The school was big. The other students wore clean uniforms and had expensive phones. At first, Anna felt shy and lonely. Some students looked down on her because she came from a village. But Anna remembered her dream. She studied every night, just like she did at home. She asked questions in class, joined the library, and made a few kind friends. Months passed, and Anna became one of the top students in her class. Her teachers praised her hard work. One day, her school held a big competition for young writers. Anna decided to join. She wrote an essay about her village and her dream to become a teacher. Her story touched many hearts. When the winners were announced, Anna's name was called. She had won first prize. The school invited her to read her essay on stage. As she stood in front of hundreds of people, Anna took a deep breath and smiled. "I come from a small village," she said. "People told me I couldn't reach my dream. But I believed in myself. I worked hard. And now, I'm one step closer to becoming a teacher. I want to help children believe in their dreams too." The audience clapped loudly. Some people had tears in their eyes. From that day on, Anna became known as the girl with the big dream. Years passed, and Anna never gave up. She finished high school with top marks and entered the university with another scholarship. It was not always easy. She still missed her family. Sometimes she got sick, and money was always tight. But Anna never let her problems stop her. She worked part-time jobs, helped other students with their homework, and studied late into the night. Her dream gave her strength. Finally, after many years, Anna stood in front of her university on graduation day. She wore a black gown and a cap. Her parents had traveled from the village to see her. "We are so proud of you," her father said with tears in his eyes. Anna smiled and hugged them. "I couldn't have done it without you." Later, Anna returned to her village, not to live on the farm, but to teach at the local school. She wanted to give back to her people. She started a reading program for children, brought new books to the school, and helped other students apply for scholarships. Many little girls in the village looked up to her. "I want to be like Anna," they said. And Anna would smile and tell them, "You can be even greater. Just believe in yourself and never give up."